PB Elder Law is the only firm in Western New York whose practice is dedicated to elder law. Daniel Schuler is a partner at the firm.
The name of the firm is Falsgraf, Beinhauer, Greer, Harrison, Schuler, better known as PB Elder Law. And we are a law firm that focuses on elder law. We have 5 attorneys here, and the basic field of elder law is estate planning to estates upon someone's passing, the use of trusts for asset protection, and Medicaid for people who need the payment for long-term care costs. Also, we do guardianships for people who are incapacitated and do not have a power of attorney. So generally speaking, we're a law firm that focuses entirely on elder law. And then we have staff that, we have support staff in each department for our trust department, for our estate planning department, Medicaid department, etc.
So who do you help in Western New York?
So typically we have 3 different client bases. We have a family that's newly married with children. And what we can do is we can set up estate planning documents to make sure that their children are cared for in the event they both predecease their children reaching the age of 18. We can also create trusts so that the assets are protected in such a way that the children can't access the assets before a certain age. Then we have a client base where we have people who are starting to accumulate wealth, and we can update their estate plan, maybe start creating trusts to help preserve assets for the future. And then we have clients who are retired and who are looking to protect their assets from long-term care, but also to create an inheritance for their future. So we can use trusts and other estate planning devices to ensure that those assets are protected in the event they require something like Medicaid to pay for long-term care costs.
So this is all about thinking about your future, thinking about what you may need, and really getting ahead of the game on it.
Sure, yeah. The misconception is that if you don't plan ahead, there can't be any planning. That is incorrect. There is last-minute planning that can be done, but it always is better to get out ahead of things, because then you can have more input into your own planning, and there's a better chance of preserving wealth for the future.
So if your firm is a firm that someone might think they need help from, or they're not sure and they want to ask a few questions, what's the best way to reach out to you guys?
Sure. So our phone number is 716-204-1055. You can also reach us on the internet at pbelderlaw.com. That's pbelderlaw.com. If you don't want to call us, you can submit an inquiry through our website. It will be sent out to one of the attorneys in the firm, and you'll receive a pretty quick callback. Usually the plan from there is we set up a consultation, and we'll send an individual questionnaire in advance to get some background information about their family and their assets. And then at the consultation, we sit down and we have a global discussion about what their goals are and what types of plans we can put in place to meet those goals.
And if you need that contact information again, it's right there on the screen. PB Elder Law. Those attorneys know what they are talking about. They can help you preserve the future, as they said. Now